Tim here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out at this hotel in Smyrna. And every once in a while, every couple of years, they have us out to do the fence and the dumpster and stuff like that, because it does get dirty. This is mold starting, and this is mold on the shady side where it's getting kind of green. It's probably been about 2 years since we've done this, and it's pretty bad. You can see where animals are starting to eat and live off the mold. So we're going to clean this up, make this look good. They definitely have a lot of damage from a weed eater because the bottom is chewed up pretty badly. So whoever's weed eating is really hitting this really hard. And of course, this is a fairly old fence. This is not a new fence. This has been here for a long time. We've cleaned it probably 5 times. So it's been here longer than we have been. And we've been at this hotel for a long, but way before COVID. So, and there's some rock knockouts. And it could be from this side being weed-eated from the homeowner on this side. The rock's definitely from this side because it's only on this side. And this is not on this side at all. So whoever's weed eating this or cutting this side, which is not much to weed eat because it's mostly mulched, is not the issue. I think the issue is from the other side, and the damage is happening from the other side. But anyway, we're gonna make it look good because right now it looks icky, ooh. So we're gonna take the icky ooh off. Here, 10 more. Let's check it out. And there we go. No more green. No more green on either side. All the way down, all the way up. The pad and the walls and everything have been cleaned, so all of this is nice and pretty looking. We're about to go down and do the portico down at the front entrance, make it look good. It's been painted recently, so mostly I'm not going to use any SH. I'm just going to use some soap to make the cobwebs heavy, rinse it, surface clean and pop the gum on the flat work, and it'll be done. So we'll be back here doing carpet on Monday, but you know, Friday, easy day. They're quiet right now, not a lot of people, not a lot of cars, but they will get busy for this weekend. So we're going to get out of here as soon as possible so we're out of the way of check-in. 10 more, TLC Brush version.